Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can continue the exercise in the
Yes.
textbook. So please take a textbook, part 2, page number 23. Textbook, part
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
page number 23. The same page you can see on the screen also. All of you got the same page?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So we can start.
This is the thirsty cross. The clever crow. Thirsty crow.
So here we have sequence the given pictures in the correct order of events. All of you know the story of Thirsty Crow, no? Yes or no?
Yes. Thirsty crow.
Yes. You know the story.
Yes.
So it's the picturization only here. You can see the first picture. The crow is drinking water. Second one, you can see crow is searching for water. Third picture, crow is putting one by one the stone. Then fourth picture, is trying to drink water. Okay, so which one will come first? What is the first step? Crow is searching for water, no? Crow is searching for water. So is it the first picture or second picture or third picture or fourth picture? Which picture?
First.
First is crow is drinking water.
Second picture.
Second picture, crow is searching for water, no?
Yes.
Yes. Then you can see crow is drinking water. Then crow is putting stone one by one into the pot, and crow is trying to drink water. So which one will be the second one?
To drink. Crow is trying to drink water.
Trying. Yes. Crow is trying to drink water. So will come second. The fourth picture will come as second one. Now, what about the third one? Third one. Which picture will come? The three. Putting stone one by one. Yes. The last one, the fourth picture is drinking water. The first picture will come the fourth one. Is it clear? Is it clear? The sequence.
Yes.
The sequence of pictures.
Yes.
Yes. So if you have completed, you can move to page number 24. Page number 24. Let's move to page number 24.
Yes.
Yes.
Tick
And here we have tick the activity which comes later than the other. So which activity is coming later, that you have to put a tick mark. Okay. Tick the activity which comes later than the other. And here you can see in the first one, showering, having breakfast. So which one is later? Later means the second activity. Later, not earlier. See, showering, having breakfast.
breakfast.
See, after taking bath only, we have our breakfast. So breakfast will come later. So you can put a tick mark for having breakfast. So let's move to B.
Yes.
Henna, please tell me what you can see in the picture. You can see students are studying. Students are studying in the school. Then one boy is going to school. You can see the arrow, no? School it is written, and you can see the arrow means going to school. So which one is later? Which one is later, है ना? Studying. So you can put tick mark for study. Now let's move to C.
Play.
Ishan, please unmute and tell me the next one. Ishan, what you can see in the picture?
Go to school.
Students are going back to home. And also you can see children are playing in the park. So which one is later?
Go to school.
Students going back to home. Students are playing in the park. Which one is later?
home. Playing the park.
Which one is later? Later.
Go to home.
See, after coming home, you may go to park and play, no?
Park.
Playing in the park.
Playing in the
Now, question D. Aldrin, what you can see in the picture? Sleeping, playing. Which one is later?
sleeping.
Sleeping. So you can put a tick mark for sleeping. So let's move to page number 25. Page number 25. Arrange the activities from morning to evening by giving numbers in the boxes. Arrange the activities from morning to evening by giving numbers in the boxes. Use 1 for the first activity done in the morning. So look at the picture carefully and number the activities. The first picture you can see waking up. Then you can see playing, brushing the teeth at night. Then going to school, having breakfast. So arrange the activities from morning to evening by giving numbers in the boxes. So which one will come number 1?
Wake
You can see waking up, playing, brushing the teeth at night. Waking up. So you can put in number 1 here. Then what about number 2?
Brush my teeth. Brush out.
See, brushing the teeth, you can see the background, there are stars. So brushing the teeth at night only that. Okay, brushing the teeth at night, not in the morning. Having breakfast. Having breakfast. Then what about the 3?
Going to school.
Going to school.
Going to
Then
school.
number 4,
Going to school.
playing. 5,
Playing.
number 5,
Brushing my teeth.
yes, brushing the teeth at night. Then we have tick the activity that makes more time and cross the activity that takes less time. Once again, tick the activity that takes more time and cross the activity that takes less time. And here we have A, brushing the teeth, studying. So let us see which one is earlier. Which one is earlier? Or not earlier, taking more time? Is it brushing the teeth or studying? Studying. So for studying, we can put a tick mark. Okay, it takes more time. Then brushing the teeth takes less time. So that we can put a cross. The activity which takes more time, we have to put a tick mark. The The activity that takes less time, we have to put a cross. So here you can see brushing the teeth, studying. So studying takes more time. Brushing the teeth takes less time. Then let's move to B. Tying the shoelace, playing. Which takes more time? Playing. So we can put a tick mark for playing. Tying the shoelace, it takes less time. So we can put a cross.
Completed.
So we can move to page number 26. And here we have what you can see in the picture C. Drinking juice, no? Yes. Then the other boy is playing video game. So which takes more time?
Playing video game.
Playing video game. So that you can put a tick mark. Then drinking juice take less time. So that you can put a cross. Then question G. Writing, reading. Which takes more time? Writing. So we can put a tick mark for writing. Reading take less time. So that we can put a cross. So if you have completed, you can close it. Then you can take the workbook. Workbook part 2. Please take a workbook part 2. Take workbook part 2. Page number 7. Workbook part 2. Page number 7.
Ma'am.
Yes, Darsh Krishna.
I don't have workbook part 2.
I will show you the page. I will show you the pages in the on the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
So let me share the screen. Please take a workbook part 2, page number 7. All of you got the pages, page 7. Let's move to multiple choice questions.
Yes.
Yes, Anthony Naiju, please read the first one. Anthony, please unmute and read the first one. RAV.
Workbook no.
You don't have the workbook? Okay. So please look at the screen. Okay. Now, Shiva, please unmute and read the first one. Shiva, please unmute and read. Ravi
can see the rising sun every morning.
Yes. Ravi can see the rising sun every dash. And it's given here A, night, B, morning, C, afternoon, D, evening. So Ravi can see the rising sun every morning. So you can put a tick mark for option B, morning. You can write a capital letter B inside the bracket. Now let's move to 2.
Yes.
So Adna, please read. Sunita has. Adna, please read. Sunita has her dinner every dash. Sunita has her dinner every dash. Options are afternoon, night, morning, evening. Night. So option B, night. Please put a tick mark for option B, night. Now, number 3. Vedic Vinod, please read number 3. People
People
eat
eat
breakfast
breakfast
in the dash.
in the dash.
Options are A night, B morning, C afternoon, D evening. People eat
Morning.
breakfast in the morning. Good. So you can put a tick mark for option B morning and you can write B inside the bracket. Now again we have multiple choice questions. Question number 4. John Paul, please read the question number 4. John Paul, please unmute and read. The time at
The time at
12 noon
time at
is
12.
called dash. What we call the time at 12 noon? Options are A morning, B midday, C midnight, D afternoon. Which is the correct option, my dear? 12 noon. What we call 12 noon? What we call 12 noon? Is it morning or midday or midnight or afternoon? The time 12 noon is called, what we call the time 12 noon?
Midday.
Midday. So option B, midday. So put a tick mark for option B, midday, and write capital letter B inside the bracket. The time at 12 noon is called midday. Now let's move to number 5. Niveda, please unmute. Now read.
What
Do you say
you see
to your parents
to your parents
when you get up
up in
in the morning? What do you say to your parents when you get up in the morning? Option A, good morning. Option B, good afternoon. Option C, good evening. Option D, good night.
Good morning.
We will say good morning. So option A is the correct answer. Please write a capital letter A inside the bracket. Arnav, question number 6. Arnav, please read question number 6. The sun rises in the dash. Option A, afternoon. Option B, evening. Andali, please listen. Look at the book. Look, if you don't have the book, look at the screen. Afternoon, evening, morning, midnight. The sun rises in the sun rises in the morning. So option C, morning. So you can write a capital letter C inside the bracket. The sun rises in the morning.
Ma'am,
So
I
you
have
completed
completed.
page number 8. Shall we move to page number 8? Shall we move to page number 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here we have let me take that page.
Ma'am, I can't see the page.
Yes, yes, just 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you can see the page?
Yes.
Yes. And here we have fill in the blanks. Question number 7. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. What we call, Darshaku Nikrishnan, what we call the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. What we call? Ah, yes, morning. 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 All of you write the answer.
Morning.
MORNING. Morning. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. Basil, what's the spelling morning? MORNING. Okay. Rasha, what's the spelling morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the spelling morning?
RNING.
MORNING. Okay, now we can move to 8.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Dhananjay, please read number 8. Earlier or what is an earlier or dash are words used for events happening at different times. Which is the other word? Earlier or? Which is the other word? Earlier or? Earlier or which is another word we use for events happening at different times? Which is another word? Later. What's the spelling later? LATER. Later. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. Now let's move to number 9. Aaron, what about number 9? Please read number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
The time. 12 o'clock at night. What we call the time at 12 o'clock at night? 12 noon is midday. So what about 12 night? What we can call?
Midnight.
Yes, midnight. So all of you write MID, mid, NIGHT, midnight. The time 12 o'clock at night is called midnight.
And we want to write down.
The time 12 o'clock at night is called midnight. MIDNIGHT, midnight.
Completed.
Okay. So if you have completed, we can move to question number 10. Shall we move to number 10? So here we have tick the activities done earlier. Cross out activities done later. Okay, you have to think carefully here. See, tick activities done earlier. Cross out activities done later. Now you can see climbing up the rope. You can see on the picture climbing up the rope. So you have to put a tick mark according to the picture. Which one is earlier? You have to put tick mark. Which one is later? That you have to put cross. So you can see in the first picture, the girl is almost reached at the top. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So is it earlier or later? Huh?
Later.
Later. Yes, it's later. See, she started from down, then she reached almost to top. So that position means it is later. So you can put a cross. In the second picture, she started only. So that is earlier. So you can put tick mark. You understood? Listen once again. Climbing up the rope. You can see in the first picture, the girl is almost reached at the top. So that is happening at later only, no? So we put a cross. In the second picture, she started only. So that is happening at earlier. So we put a tick mark. Now the next one, finishing the race. Finishing the race. Think and put a tick mark and cross mark. The first picture, that racing car is already reached the finishing point. That is happening when? Is it earlier or later?
Later.
So you can put a cross. And the other picture, it is not reached the finishing point. So that is
Earlier.
earlier. So you can put a tick mark. Reaching the finishing point, it is happening at a later only. So the car is before the reaching point. So it is earlier. We have one more. That is, you can see planting trees. Children are planting trees. They are digging the mud. And in the first picture, they are started to digging the mud. Now, second picture, they already plant the trees. So what about the first picture? Is it earlier or later? Earlier. They started only. No? So it's earlier. They plant the tree. So that is
Later.
later. So you can put a cross. Abel is present today. Abel? Abel is present. Ahlam? Ayon? Okay, so the remaining exercise, we will do it in the next class. The pages I will send in the group. So those who don't have the textbook, workbook, when you get it, please complete it. Okay. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. Bye.